Environmental history and management takes center stage as the 2025 California wildfires expose critical flaws in water supply management during emergency firefighting efforts. Governor Newsom has initiated an independent investigation to scrutinize these challenges, highlighting the urgent need for improved resource allocation and infrastructure planning. This move underscores a growing recognition of the importance of strategic planning and efficient management in the face of increasingly frequent natural disasters. With California's environmental future at stake, this investigation aims to ensure that the state is better equipped to handle such crises, marking a pivotal moment in the ongoing battle against the devastating impacts of climate change.